Ladies and gentlemen, this is the funniest video in the YouTube, starting Senior Pelo. Senior Pelo and Pelo talks in my opinion.
The opinions. Today we're gonna talk about the opinions.
Hey, I'm gonna give my opinion.
That's right, we like to give our opinions. But what is an opinion? In short is what we think about something or someone. In long, something happened!
I'm gonna give my opinion. My opinion? My opinion.
And who asked for your opinion about my opinion? How wonderful the opinions are. But in this time, no one can handle anything. The people can handle an opinion or how others think. Everyone gets mad, but why they get mad? It's only an opinion, there's nothing to get angry at. Ignore it. That's easy. It's like someone getting angry at us for how we think.
I really love my chocolate.
Aha! In my opinion, your chocolate tastes like caca. In my chocolate, no one turns back my chocolate. No. Everything's wrong. Everything is wrong. We're gonna divide the opinions in two, in constructive and destructive. And both will be divided in positive and negative. Easy. The positive constructive opinion is when you agree with someone. It's so easy. It's just something positive.
Hey, I do this really quick one. Oh, that's really cute.
But sometimes can be bad since it can help others in some cases.
Hey, I do this really quick one. Oh, that's really cute. Now it's not really cute. It's just cute.
Sometimes the opinion can count as criticism. But we're talking about opinion, so... A constructive negative opinion is when you disagree with others. And this one has a lot of problems in general, only because people don't like to be told no. I made content for my channel, for my sites, for my videos, for my damn it! Oh! Let's go! Excuse me, I didn't like this one. I don't know, I mean... I didn't like it. Sometimes we need to accept negative opinions. It can help us to be better or knowing something that is wrong. But if you're gonna get mad at negative things, you must have a really weak bone. I think you shouldn't have said that. You think you're strong, boy, but I am stronger! Stop right there! It's not necessary to be angry at negative stuff. Instead, use it to be better.
I feel you're doing it wrong. Why you don't try the other way?
Thank you so much, brother! Now I can do it better! And fuck yeah! Oh, my opinion worked! I think you're doing that wrong. Haha! There we go! Perfecto! Sometimes we have different opinions, and that's okay. It's normal. The way we think and talk describes how we really are. There's nothing bad about it. But now, the good stuff, the terror. Let's go to the horror, where the people destroy only to win an argument. And the destructive opinion. This one has one goal. To be right by hurting, being tolerable, and getting angry. Hurting to be right. You can't talk to them. You can't talk! I mean, I don't like that kid over there. Over there, I don't like him. I hate you. You are the worst. Die! We're gonna take these ones differently. Cause we will focus on intention, brain, and what kind of shit is in their heads. A destructive negative opinion is when someone is not tolerable with certain stuff. Of course, this one is related to negative things. Basically, it hurts people.
Hey yo, I bought a vanilla ice cream.
Oh, and I bought a chocolate ice cream. Why you have a chocolate ice cream?
Hey, calm down, brother. Calm down.
Yeah, calm down. I just like it. No!
Hey, you trash! What is wrong with you?
You're defending him! You're defending him! But why? Why you need to hurt others? Why? In general, this one is related to not being tolerable, the silence, certain politics, and the control. They attack first with their hurtful opinions. One thing you can do is ignore them. Hate! No, wait, no. I need attention! Someone please give me attention! I'm so sorry. Hate! But don't confuse yourself. Someone can have a negative opinion in everything. But it's different only having it to try to be right with being hurtful. And this takes us to the last opinion, and the one everyone hates, the destructive positive opinion. These opinions have good goals for everyone. Problem is how people think. You need to agree 100% with them, and you can't. You can't! I said that little boy over there can do whatever he wants. Oh, of course. Well, it depends on... The majority agrees with their goal. Treat everyone nice, equally, things like that. But not how they think. No one agrees in their opinions in how they think. These people are so venomous to the point of them hurting themselves. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. No.
What is wrong with you? You must say no!
No. The worst part is that no one takes them seriously. Why? Why are you taking them serious? No. Yes, listen to them. On the internet, in your family, under your bed.
Are you little?
From them.
Hey yo, I bought a vanilla ice cream.
Oh, and I bought a chocolate ice cream. Hey, why you have that ice cream? That ice cream has privilege.
No, that's not true. It's the same as that one, but different flavor.
Yeah, they are the same. They come from the same place.
That's right. Now leave us alone, leave us in peace.
I say it has privilege. It becomes that. you sick? Why you did that? Don't worry, darling. You eat your oppressed ice cream, little, weak, don't worry. No. I eat the fucking head! Why? These people are related to the minorities, and that's okay. The problem is when they want to destroy everyone that has something from the majority. Jobs, jobs, jobs! I'm giving jobs! Hi, I want the job. No. But why not? Cause you're white? And we only accept minorities. But I'm bi, I'm poor, I don't have a gender? No, you're white. Look at yourself. Look at yourself, you're all white because the background. Hi, I'm a woman. I am way gay and I'm a Charlie Brown. You are hired my head. Hey. You can't even make jokes. You say one and you turn into the worst human being. Look at my joke. Look at my joke. No. Everyone listen up, please. Everyone listen up. I don't like her joke. I don't like that joke. That was a good joke. No, you can't like her joke because I don't like her joke. And her drawings are horrible because I don't like her joke. My friend is right. That's why I'll suck her beverage. I have a better joke. You. And the worst is that they don't want to know the other person, or at least listen to them. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Look what you did. Look what you did. You are the worst. No, I am not. You don't even know me. Well, of course not. Of course I know you. Look what you did. Look what you did. I know you. No, you don't know anything. I know everything!
No, my son. Look, I don't tell them what to do. Maybe it's him. Maybe it's him. What? But they are not my sons. You create them. They think like you. They are like you.
This type of people believe they are saints, or everyone needs to stop for them. And if you try to escape, they will be there, looking at you, trying to change you. And there is only one way to stop them, only one way. And that's it. The opinions are like fruits and vegetables. All the colors, all the flavors. Some taste good and some taste horrible. Some are really cute and other ones look disgusting. But at the end, we need both. Everyone has that opportunity to give their opinion, negative or positive. It's just an opinion. But hey, that's only my opinion. But hey, your opinion is negative or is positive? Oh yeah, and your opinion is constructive or negative? And what if I don't want to hear you? Because I don't care about your opinion.
Boy, what if I like strawberry ice cream?
What are you
Class teacher.